Hey everybody, Dr. Dave Marquis here with some more points to ponder. Every day I get different questions from patients, and when patients start asking questions in common, meaning that I'm hearing them over and over again, I know that we're seeing this across a broad swath of the population. It can't just be my office, and actually in talking to colleagues, I do hear about it in different parts of the country as well. Common questions that people are asking me is, hey, how do I get my taste and smell back? Or, I haven't had a normal period in months, some people upwards of a year. Other people telling me, hey, I haven't had a period in months or up to a year. Many people come in and they tell me that I've been living in this persistent brain fog and I don't know how to make my brain work the way that it used to. Or, it seems like I've got this load of viruses and I just keep reactivating a new one. I'm going from cold to cold to cold. Or it seems like my autoimmunity has flared up again and I don't know how to turn that off. Now, in my 30-year career, I've never heard all these things so commonly on a daily basis from so many patients. And it's really only been going on for about 18-ish months. So I'll throw that out there to you to try and deduce for yourself what different has happened to us collectively in the last roughly 18 months that might lead to all these things that I was just talking about. Draw your own conclusions. Some of the things that I found to be helpful in walking people through this is first just understanding inflammation, and a commonality amongst everything that I just said is, hey, you know what? It sounds like your immune system has really had its teeth kicked in. That's kind of a figurative way of saying something that actually has happened to our immune systems. They've become either overactivated or suppressed in really sad ways. And so working to help to re-regulate the immune system has been one of the things that we've been working on with patients on a regular basis, and we're seeing, promisingly, success with that. Not with everyone, but with many people. And so I'm encouraged that, hey, you know what? As crummy of a situation as this has been for so many people, it looks like there may be some paths out of it, hoping that we don't do more insults to ourselves. And we really need to think about those choices and decisions before we agree to do something that you can't unring a bell for. Please take the time to do that. Also take the time to look at some of the toolkits that we've put together to help people's immune systems. I don't profess to imply that there's any solution there that can be a cure to anything, but I have found it helpful for people to understand their inflammation, helpful to re-regulate their immune system, and helpful to apply some of these principles that can be preventative in nature from recurrent infections. So check it out. I hope this information is helpful for you, and I hope that you take the time to do the research for yourselves so that you can empower yourself and your family. Be well.